If you're looking to add some sort of watermark like this with text or this with an image, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a watermark using text or an image to your Canva creation. So say you are a illustrator or a book designer and you want to send this to a client with a watermark. What you want to do is go into text and choose a text box and then go in and type in your name, or maybe you want to say draft. You want to create a huge font, maybe make it bolder so that it's more legible. And you can use the transparency tool and adjust the transparency to make it a watermark. You can either do this or you can even copy and paste it so that it's more secure. Another way to do this is if you want to just swing it diagonally and have it cover more ground like this. So this is the first way of doing it with text. If you have a logo, this is how you would do it. And let's just find any image here as a logo. Let's say this butterfly is your logo. And you can choose your color in here. Black works or white. And you can use this transparency tool again, adjust the transparency, and make it as big as you want to cover your image. So you can adjust it to the lowest so that it's faint but not too overpowering. And this is how you add an image watermark to your Canva designs. Now, say if you want to add a logo or watermark onto a video, this is how you can do that. So you can go back to your image, say a butterfly, you can adjust the transparency here to however transparent you want it, and then say you want to add it like this big. What you want to do is make sure that this this duration is covering the whole video. So if you see here, you can see the watermark, but if you move out of this purple range, then it won't be available anymore. And let's say you have different images. What you want to do is go back into this image here and duplicate it so that you can add it onto this and make sure that it covers the length of the video. Unfortunately, you are unable to stretch this over to the next clip. You will have to need to duplicate for each clip that is available in your video. And if you want to add text, you do the same thing. You just add a text and then do the same thing over again. So you can remove the image, duplicate this, add it to here, and then that will be your watermark by adjusting the transparency. So I hope you learned something today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!